Daddy gonna tickle you?
Tickles! Tickles!
I love their daddy.
Daddy. Oh, okay.
You play with her then.
I can lie down there.
You want her to lie down? Be gentle.
My room in there.
You gonna play with her with give poo to her?
Oh, careful, careful, careful. I guess older.
You're gonna what?
Make a put it into my bag.
Oh, okay. Did you say he's gonna take the gas out of her and put it in the red car?